Okay. Hello and welcome to my code thing. So here I'm just watching this. It's very much updated from my last code, my last Python raycaster. This is still technically raycasting. It's more voxelization. Except it's not like cubes. It's more like I made very tall ray. I figured out how to sector every single thing optimally. It's called not having sectors. So you can do all sorts of cool things like have beautiful terrain pieces and tilting the camera and the Z buffer. And there's a full range of colors. That's something that I didn't have. You could only have white walls. Or I tried texturing. I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure out how to optimize it. Horrible optimization on my previous system. This runs. I guess the old one ran at like 128 hertz, or in FPS, or in 400 FPS. This one only runs at 60, but it feels about the same, and it still looks nice. And I'm kind of zooming in, trying. It looks a lot like mathematically, especially right here. You'll see very well. It looks a lot like the old system because it is. It's not restricted to these little figure pieces that are columns. It's very cool. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.